Hi, I'm Roxana from VP Estate, and in this video I will show how to manage feature and amenities in the WPRentals theme. You can add as many features and amenities as you need. They will show in the listing page and in search. The theme includes the options to upload SVG icons for your features and amenities. Next, I will show the steps that you need to take to manage features and amenities. First, I will show how to add them. You will find features and amenities in admin, listings, bookings, and more listing features. If you import a demo, you will already have features and amenities imported along with the demo content. If you want to add a new feature, you will need to add the name here. Leave the slug field empty so WordPress can generate correctly the slug of this feature, and press add new feature. The new element will show in the features lists. By editing this feature, you'll have the option to edit the name. If you want to edit, you will need to change name, remove the initial slug, and update. The features and amenities can be grouped. You can set name and the features from that category. To achieve this, you will need to add the main name as parent. This means that under parent category none will be selected, and to add the elements under this feature you will need to add new features, and for parent set the main element. In the admin list you will see them as pets main element and pets child as child. You can also delete the features that you do not want by pressing the delete button here, and you can also create category pages that will show listings that have a certain feature selected. For that you can click view, and in this page you will have all the properties that have dryer as common feature. You can add such pages in menu. You just need to copy the page link, go to admin appearance menus, select the menu where you want to display, add a custom link, add here the link and text, add to menu, with drag and drop add the page where you need it, and save changes. Now you'll have this page in menu. Going back, I will edit feature. You'll have the option to add a description. Under details you'll have the option to upload an SVG icon. For that you will need to press the upload SVG icon button and select an SVG icon from your device or from media. Once you save the changes, the icon will show for the feature. You can upload different SVG icons for each feature, but if you do not upload, the features and amenities will have the default checkbox as shown here. Next I will go to theme options, listing page, and under features and amenities you'll have this option show the features and amenities that are not available. If set to no, that only the features that are selected for the property will show, but if set to yes, I will do the change and show the result. In the listing page you will have all features and amenities, and highlighted only the ones that are selected for this property. Once you are done with setting your features and amenities, they will be available to be selected in the front-end submission form. For that you will need to go to user dashboard, add new listing. I will showcase this by editing an existing property. All features can be found under amenities, but for the new and edited elements to show, you will need to select them from theme options. I will go back to admin and go to WPRentals theme options. I will select add listing and payment settings. Here you can manage all the fields that will show in the submission form, and for features and amenities, the new elements and the edited ones will need to be selected from this list. You will see pets and pets child, the ones that I just added. I will select them, and now they will also show in the submission form. The features and amenities can be also displayed in the advanced search. They will show under more search options, and to set them you will need to go to theme options, search, advanced search settings. Here the option show amenities and features fields needs to be enabled, and from this list you can select only the features that you want to display in the search. These are the options available for the features and amenities. This wraps our video. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get instant notifications on new videos.